In 3, 2, 1, go!
This kicks off here in this match. We see for the Red Alliance, all three of those preload game pieces make their way into the community. Before the Blue Alliance, all of them are scored a bit higher in the grid. That's going to give Blue the scoring advantage here, but we do have two robots docked and engaged on the charge station as time expires, coming out of Autonomous, moving into Telly. Blue leads 33-21. You'll see that battery indicator up on the screen. That's indicating that robots were docked and engaged on the charge station coming out of Autonomous. 12 points scored out of the 26 they will need in order to earn the activation bonus later in this match. Mechanical Mustaches out of Chicago, they cross half field. They're going to give some opportunistic defense to 2506 Saber Robotics. Mechanical Mustaches, though, being very careful about their intake mechanism. It did look like that intake did extend awfully close to Saber. We do need to make sure that when robots are playing defense, they are colliding with their bumpers. They're not able to extend out inside of the frame perimeter of another robot or use an extension outside of their own. Mechanical Mustaches out of Taft alongside their alliance partner MKE Metal Maidens, both in those loading zones. Metal Maidens, they have retrieved a cube. Their partners USM Robotics Wildcats also in that loading zone. They have a cone at the moment. Mechanical Mustaches still looking for the perfect place to line up. We see their human player behind the glass communicating with their drive team, trying to make sure those robots are in the exact correct position. 68-23 USM Robotics Wildcats. They do drop a cone off right near their grid. Now Mustaches back in their community all on their own. That cone gets nudged back into a hybrid node and their cone in their arm looking for a place to land. They can pick up a 5-point bonus if they place that cone on the node right in front of them on that top row. They'll get 5 points for the cone itself and 5 points for establishing the first link for the Blue Alliance. Over on Red, they trail Blue by just 3 points as we enter our endgame. All three Red robots right in the center of the field. First one to cross back is Roaring Robotics. They're joining us from Naperville, Illinois. Roaring does have their cone arm out extended. They're trying to find a place to drop it off. It looks like with 15 seconds remaining, Saber collides with that charge station. The cone in their manipulator does get ejected forward toward the community. All three Red robots trying to pick up the dock and engage. They need it to take the match, but the Blue Alliance is nearing it for themselves. And as time expires, all